Hi, Robert Parks here. I'm back from a very busy week, and while I was away, I ordered my first ever drone. Now I've got literally zero experience with drones, so I'm shooting from the hip here. Today I'll be unboxing and trying out the Autel Robotics X-Star Premium drone. It's supposed to be easy to fly. It comes in this nice case. It shoots 4K video, and it has a 1.2 mile range. So let's take a quick look before we charge it up and fly it. If you've got any questions or comments about this drone, please post them below. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, as I'm still working toward that first 100 subscribers. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.